Introducing the Rubbermaid FastTrack Rail System. The FastTrack Rail System helps you reclaim the floor, maximize storage space, and get your home organized. One person can quickly and easily assemble the system using everyday tools. Simply locate and mark studs, level the rail and mark holes, drill pilot holes onto studs, screw the steel rail onto the wall, attach rail cover, and hang accessories. Customize a storage solution for all belongings by choosing from a variety of accessories. From bike hooks to shelving, everything has a place. The accessories can be relocated on the rail as storage needs change. Simply press the top of the lock to remove, put the top of the hook on the rail, and push to snap into place. The FastTrack Rail System can grow and change as life changes. The FastTrack Rail System is the ideal storage solution for any room. Laundry rooms, basements, gyms, mudrooms, and more. Pick up your FastTrack Rail System today and get your home organized.